Adarsh here. So today we're gonna see how we can create a EC2 instance on Amazon Cloud, and then we can create a Spring Boot application and we can deploy it on the EC2 instance, and then we can test it. And then we have in other tutorials we'll see how we can do the load balancing and all other stuff. But I'm assuming before starting you must be having Amazon account with you, so I'll be logging in and let's get started. So first we'll go to EC2 services and EC2, and I'll say launch instance. I'll go for the free tier, general purpose T2 micro. I'll not do any changes here. Storage I'll not keep more, I'll just keep it 8 GB, and then I'll give the tag. I'll give ESpark Adarsh 1 security configuration. So we can create if we have existing group. I have existing group, but just for the demo purpose I'll just show you. So I'll one is for SSH TCP in this one, and I'll create a custom one because my Spring Boot application will run on 8080. So I have custom TCP. Review, everything looks okay. So I have already existing key, so I'll use that. If you don't have, just uh, download the new one. I'll just use the existing one, and I'll say launch instance. So here, meanwhile my instance is starting, I'll just open the terminal, and here you can see I have a pen file. So I'll go to desktop. So now my instance is running. So we'll just select the instance and we'll say create or connect, and then there's a command which, if you have downloaded this pen file, you have to execute this command, and after that you have to see ls-ll, so it will tell you the weak permission for that. And this is how you can then copy this command from here and paste it into your instance. It will say, it will ask you for connecting it. So now I'm connected to that. I'll just get the super user privileges, and then I'll say sudo yum update mobile. So I'm just updating the operating system. So once my operating system is updated, I'm just gonna install Java. First I'll see whether Java is there or not. So I cannot see. So I'm installing Amazon flavor of JDK. You'll get all this command in Amazon documentation how to install that. Just check Java version. Now I can see There's a version of Java installed, which is 8. So I'll see. So I'll just create a directory here with application where I'll just keep my Spring Boot Java file there for execution. So I see here don't have execution privileges and all. So I'll say ch mode 777 on application, and again we'll see. So now it's clear for that. Now deployment wise, instance wise, everything is ready. Now we'll create a Spring Boot application. So we'll go to Spring Starter IO. So ESpark Adarsh Spring Boot web REST, because it will be having web page as well as REST. And I'll say web Lombok families which we need for computing. We'll say generate. It will go to the download folder. From there I'll just click. I'm not gonna teach how you can create a Spring Boot application and all. Didn't open it. Select IntelliJ. So I'll minimize this window. So my application is there. So first let's see. First change what we're gonna do. We're gonna just change the name for the channel, which will be project name. Where it will be Spring Web REST. We'll go to this folder. Quickly I will change it to YAML. Spring Boot web and REST server dot port. I'm gonna run it on EQ2. So basic change which I was expecting for. And then we'll go to web and we'll say application controller. So before that I guess we have to, because if somebody is coming, so we should have index page. So I'll create index.html. It's just a normal index.html, and it's gonna tell you just click on the link and it will forward it to controller, welcome controller, like that. So in application controller, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just receive the request which is forwarded from the page. So once a request comes to here, because it's a by default index page, once you click on this welcome page, it will come to here and it will set the name and IP and it will return. So we should have a template page for welcome.html, which we're gonna create now. Should be inside this template welcome.html. And what we're gonna do there, we're gonna just print the IP and the name. That's it. That's what we're gonna do. But if I see, we should add one more for the rest endpoint. So normally, if we don't want to go from the index route, we can just directly hit the controller. So what I'm thinking, let's have a REST controller here. So let's create one more class here, API controller. And in this API controller, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the same operation. We're gonna just return the map object with message IP and host, just a simple one. So let's build this VM theme package. VM spring port :1. So we'll open a new window here to test. Okay, we can test it from browser itself. Now we don't need this local host So this is what the index page is. When we click on that, this gonna go to the welcome page. And if I see the API.message, so this is what the address it's showing. Okay, so it means our APIs are working fine now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see this file. So I'm gonna close this. Now we don't need this anymore. So I'm gonna close this and then I'm going to download. Inside the target, I'll just copy this file to my desktop. Now we know that our application is ready and it's working. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna upload the file. So for that, I'm gonna use another shell window, and there's a command which is, and what is the name of the jar file is spring. So before that we have to go to desktop, because it is, remember, cd desktop. So now we have to say scp hyphen scp hyphen 9, and then we have a pen file which we have to use adarsh.pen, and then we have to use spring boot jar file, and then the rest of the path, what we can do, we can just copy it from here, this section, and we'll paste it here, :/home/ec2 hyphen user slash application slash. So if you see here, cd application, unless we don't have anything here. Now I'm just uploading the file. So if I go there and if I see, the file is uploading now, sudo, so we can give chmod 777 to spring boot jar. Once upload is done, it's a 46%. Then I guess it's taking a couple of minutes. Just waiting waiting eagerly to finish with this. And once this is gonna finish up, we're gonna start the servo and we're gonna hit it from our local client. So it's 82% completed. close this window. This is not required. This is not required. This is not required. Close this. This is 97%, and it's done. So I'm giving the permission ls-ll java-jar spring boot, and boom, there's our application is up now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna close this. We need this one for call command. So application is up on 8080. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just grab the IP here, colon 8080 slash, and it should show us the page here. And if we show, this is what the IP is, 131. I'm not sure why, what, because it's all runs on the VM, what IP it's showing, but this is what our application is. And if we hit the endpoint by API slash message, so this is what we're gonna get the response from the server. So that's how our application is working now. So what we're gonna do for the future purpose for load balancing, I'm gonna use the same instance. So I'll just create a copy of this, my AWS EKP, and I'll create an image. So if you see, once image start creating, so what it gonna do, other than OS, it gonna take the backup of your installation, like software installation, like we did for Java. We did install Java, and then we install our Java file there, the location, so everything will be backed up other than operating system. So if we go to AMIs, images, AMIs, you can see here it's a private AMI which is creating here, and in the instance it's still running, but I'll show you one more thing. It will throw you out because for the second it will take a snapshot. For that moment it will shut down the instance for a second, and then it will take the backup, so that there should not be any stale data and all. And if you see here now, pwd, our application will not be running. Now you're gonna get the full site not reachable and all. So I guess EMI is done. EMI is available for next use, and I'm gonna terminate this instance so that will not be chargeable anymore for using. And hope this will help you to understand. Stay with me. We're gonna see the load balancing in the next tutorial. Thank you.